What's the best time to host a workshop or training? If it's corporate training, office hours make sense. Your participants are there as part of their workday. But for special interest classes, skills upgrading workshops, or personal development sessions, your participants are coming in on their own time. And that's where off-peak is worth considering. Here are 3 reasons why. 1. It's when your audience is available. Evenings and weekends are when they show up. Most people won't be available at 2 p.m. on a weekday to attend. 2. Less competition for attention. During peak hours, your event's competing with meetings, calls, and everything else that's fighting for your audience's time. 3. More cost-effective and flexible. Off-peak means better rates, easier bookings, and more room for customization. If your event is for learning beyond the day job, choose off-peak. It's the smarter peak.